Hello and welcome to yet another vlog. That's my muscle, the Thunderbird, and it's been a while that I actually started this. After the Interceptor, I've actually not got the chance to ride this, but today I really want to. And also we have a special guest, but before that, let me just kickstart this and see. Wait, what is the scene like?
A few moments later. Two hours later.
So alright, so after a failed try to start my Thunderbird, we've decided that अभी अगर मैं चालू करने लगा तो लाइट भी चली जाएगी और जो शॉट्स प्लान किए हैं वो भी नहीं मिलेंगे और बारिश के बहुत आसार हैं. So we'll just quickly go make this video. So let's go give you the brilliant reviews. Our special guest today, Shikha Dalal. Everybody, Shikha say hi. Shikha has been an avid rider for a very long time. I'll give you all the details about her also very soon, but फिलहाल के लिए निकले. All right, oh. So it's about 5:10 right now, and this is probably one decent time that you can actually pick out the bike in Ahmedabad and bring it out to ride in the city. So plan basically is that. Alright, so quick change in the plan. There are people doing Visarjan. Ganpati Visarjan chal raha hai. So we'll probably just go see what is happening. This is all outskirts of Ahmedabad. This is the canal that passes through, I think, the whole of Ahmedabad, in fact, Ahmedabad district. This is Visarjan happening. We thought we'll just show you. You know, it's amazing how amazing faith is. You see so many religions and so many different caste, creed, cultures, every single one being here, doing so much to just make sure this faith is as strong as it can be. This is one example of it, making sure that Ganpati Bappa is at your place and just helping them, just serving them, pampering him and eventually bringing him to a place where he can take a nice dive. But in that process, I really hope everybody takes care of the nature as well. But faith makes you do a lot of things. So well, so the whole point of coming here and stopping by at this college is because Shikha is a pilot and she studied here. Congratulations. How do you feel? Nostalgic?
Not really, because I have not studied here. By the time the college is made, I was done.
This is basically where she studied. That's where the bike is parked, and I love this. Yeah? I love the frame as well. So anyways, so we stopped by. I really wanted to get both the bikes here and probably take a lot of shots where Shikha could talk about the bike as well. But you've already ridden the bike. Tell us about your favorites about the bike.
Favorites? No vibrations.
No vibrations. Yeah, that's the first for sure.
Feel and vibrations is like synonyms.
Yeah, that's true.
That's pretty peppy, honestly. Heavy hair, no doubt.
It's a 650, yeah. So it's a 650 parallel, yeah, and over about 200 kgs. So heavy to hai, definitely.
मेरे लिए तो heavy.
In fact, heavy hai. Comparatively, it's a heavy bike for sure. I think when you start riding, it's just
Once it picks
as
up, like,
light as it can be. No vibrations, peppy. I think the best is a 650 parallel for 3 lakhs. Thank you, Royal Enfield. That's an amazing one.
One more good part is the braking is amazing.
Oh, the braking is amazing. Absolutely
Like-
amazing. Undoubtedly.
Cons mein I hate the seat.
Oh
Number
yeah, so
one.
we were just talking while coming. We were just talking about how soft the seat is. So for a pillion, it definitely is a no-no because you know with all the bumps and everything,
Add करेंगे तो भी
तो भी लगेगा.
This is soft.
Soft, yeah, for sure.
While
Really like
riding, the foot pegs are horrible.
while riding.
If I'm riding and not a pillion,
Huh.
this is something that me irritates. I was talking as a pillion, now I'm talking as a rider.
Rider. While
a rider.
yes, so while riding, I think the position is perfect because you can also saddle it properly, stand up on the bike and really saddle properly. I think yeah, but also like in the last video, I was talking about how I would have preferred the foot pegs to be here somewhere, like it is in the GT. So GT mein the foot pegs are here, so it gives you a lot of.
Yeah, this is
But then the point is, GT mein it comes here. This thing is here, and your clutch is somewhere here, which is very close to the engine. So
But that's fine. Boots बिना कहाँ ride करते हो?
हाँ, but boots में ना ride नहीं
चप्पल
कर.
पहन के थोड़ी ride करेगा.
But a lot of people है. आपको अगर नीचे
Their problem अपने तो नहीं करते.
सब्जी लेने जाने, मम्मी ने बोला सब्जी लेके आओ तो चप्पल पहन के जाओगे तुम, जूते
You
पहन.
know there's a rule.
What?
You can be fined if you're not wearing shoes and riding a two-wheeler.
Where is this? Yeah,
Yeah.
I don't think there's a rule
I
in
think
India.
I read it somewhere.
Yeah. So if at all you know about this rule, comment in the comment box below. Acting like a proper YouTuber, by the way. Also,
These also probably because of the exhaust, the rear foot pegs are also quite high. So
yes, they are. They
as a
are.
pillion,
In
like,
fact,
बैठते बैठते मेरी पैर की नस चढ़ गई.
also a lot of people have had कि अगर यहाँ पे रखा है
And
और
this,
यहाँ पे
like, heats up the
burn.
shoes.
Yeah, it does. It does.
Might.
It does. It
You
does.
never
No.
know, मेरे shoes पिघला दे.
So it does. For sure, it does. A lot of people have started adding Avenger का foot pegs. So you have like a bit of this thing going.
Yeah,
So
तो
वहाँ पे
we
अटक
can
जाए.
have some
Hmm.
protector.
Yeah, that's one for sure. And by the way, I just love this frame. Only if I can take a snapshot and put it on my Instagram. So if at all you guys are not following me on Instagram, right there is the link. Also now coming back to things that you don't like in the bike.
I think I like everything. Maybe if they come up with these things, alloy wheels, I would want to change.
Alloy
Because if
wheel?
I'm riding alone, I would rather prefer doing a cold puncture myself than probably
Yeah.
waiting for the RSA or the other mechanic to remove the tire and do it.
Absolutely, that
Because if I'm riding alone, I wouldn't want to stop on the road so long.
And I've already had an experience while going to Powergut because I had to waste like 2 or 3 hours just fixing up the tire because of disc brake and everything. You don't get
The
proper
puncture.
guys who can fix up the puncture. So that's also one thing. So instead you can just have like this cold puncture done and then you're done.
हाँ, alloy wheel कर देंगे तो tube निकल जाएगा तो we can do it ourselves also. We
All-
just carry the cold puncture
Absolutely.
kit
And just to add on, these are tubeless tires.
yeah.
Yeah, these are
But because of spokes, we have to keep
Absolutely.
them.
And I personally also don't know if those protectors, and personally also I don't know if there's a layer on the tire that you can fix, but it's about 17 to 18 grams, which I think is expensive. Instead, you can just buy alloy wheels and get going with it. That's one things I don't like. That I don't really like in the bike is this huge exhaust. Don't get me wrong, I love the sound of the exhaust. It's a beautiful freaking sound, but it's just huge. I think just look at the bike and look at the exhaust and it's just huge. So that's definitely one thing that I want to kind of change later. Probably SNS comes up. I've already seen AEW and it sounds really beautiful and looks also really beautiful. That is definitely one. What I really want to change is the headlamp. For a lot of riders who do a lot of night riding, I think headlamps are something that has to be changed. मेरे लिए actually ज़रूरी है क्योंकि I do a lot of night riding. Light is not really sufficient, so that is definitely happening. Also, something I don't like in the bike is the fuel gauge. Fuel indicator. Oh, right now it's showing almost full, which is not true because I've already ridden about 200 kilometers for the trip. You can't depend on the fuel gauge. Absolutely can't depend on the fuel gauge. Foot pegs we've already talked about. What else do you don't like in the bike? It is.
Probably the instrument cluster. I would want to have one
Yeah, but then
instead of two.
that's true. But then
And
this is also kind of stock. No, I think Thunderbird also comes with the same kind of unit.
मतलब I would want
So I mean, company के लिए तो it's just
single one.
just order a lot of stuff and then have it. Also, the best part is they have at least not like your CBRs and stuff. They at least have like 2 trip meters, which is okay.
Probably a gear shift.
Gear shift indicator for sure. That could have made a lot of sense. Yes. So this is what it is. It's a beautiful bike, and this is what happens when you have to nitpick some of the stuff that.
Ye tires also.
Oh, the tires.
Tires are a little risky.
Are
Wet
a little
roads,
risky
maybe.
for sure. They're not for wet roads for sure. The tires, absolutely. And I give it to Shikha because she understands mechanical stuff and a lot of riding stuff as well because she's a rider herself. And मेरे को लगता है मैं हमसे ज़्यादा पता है इसको because pilot भी रह चुकी है. When do you consider it to be a good bike? You know, you don't want to go out looking for like different parts and worry about what your bike or what is going to happen to your bike. Your spare parts should be easily available. It should be a fun ride. It is kind of this body and soul that comes together to go for like a exploration together. And for that, I think Royal Enfield has done a great job with the Interceptor. I personally love the Interceptor because posture, because the way it is, the way bike is. They say it's a city bike, but you can definitely do a lot of long rides. I've done about 800 kilometers a day, and which is a crazy amount of time on the saddle. So yeah, thank you Royal Enfield. That's what I really wanted to add. If you have any of your likes and dislikes, put it in the comment section below. Let me know what do you like of the video as well and on the bike. It's just a beautiful like look at the bike. Look at the bike. It's just such a beautiful looking bike. And for 3 lakhs, I think this is the bestest pick that you have in India right now. So that's about it in this video. I hope you guys like it. And if you did, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. And thank you Shikha for being my photographer and clicking some beautiful pictures and letting us know what are your thoughts of the bike. That's it guys. Thank you.